Coffee streamers fade upon the floor. You're standing halfway out the patio door. The sweetness of the wine has turned to sour. We've been sitting here for over an hour. Your voice is flat, devoid of any tune, like winter arriving in the middle of June.
I tried to grab the smoke inside the room, but only found a quiet, heavy gloom.
Your silence is a wall I cannot scale. The wind has finally left our tearing sail. It doesn't matter if you love me now. I'm done with trying to figure out the how. It's useless to explain, it's all the same. I'm stepping out of this exhausting game. It's just a scratch, it isn't deep or wrong. I won't be crying all night long. I won't be crying all night long. Your coffee cup is cold upon the wood. We misunderstood what we thought was good. The photos on the shelf are gathering dust. The metal of our ring begins to rust. I see the suitcase waiting by the stair. You're physically present, but you are not there. Change your mind, I will not leave my dignity behind. I'm not a victim in a tragedy. I'm unlocking the cage to set you free. Go chase the sun, go find another sky. I promise I won't break down and ask why. Crying all night The sound is very slight. I turn the switch and kill the hallway light. No more tears to waste upon the dawn. The night is over and I am